Awesome. Welcome back. I didn't sing it this time. Welcome back. We are getting ready to review our division knowledge thus far and put a nice, pretty little bow on our division unit. We are getting ready to move into a new unit on Monday. So we will wrap up division today, but do not fear. Your multiplication and division skills will still be used in future units, but we're going to move on from learning about just that skill, okay? All righty. So without further ado, I give you our division review. I just rhymed 3 times. 3. Did you hear it? It was great. Okay. For real though, we're going to look at the strategies. We watched this yesterday just as a quick review. We're going to watch the strategies that you have learned again because you are going to want to use these strategies as we play a game in a moment to review. So here are the strategies that we have learned thus far.
So far, we have learned 4 strategies for division. Today, we're going to begin practicing applying these strategies that we have learned to real-life situations inside of word problems. In order to decide which type of strategy is best, let's quickly review the strategies that we've learned so far. Beginning with repeated subtraction. 24 divided by 3 tells us that we are subtracting groups of 3 and deciding how many groups that would create. 24 subtract 3 gives us a difference of 21. With 21, I'm able to subtract 3 again. 21 subtract 3 is a difference of 18. I'm still able to subtract 3. 18 subtract 3 gives us a difference of 15. 15 subtract 3 gives us a difference of 12. 12 subtract 3 gives us a difference of 9. With 9, we're still able to subtract 3. 9 subtract 3 gives us a difference of 6. 6 subtract 3 gives us a difference of 3. And finally, 3 subtract 3 gives us a difference of 0, which means we are out of items to share. When we look at these repeated subtraction equations, we will count how many times we were able to subtract. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I was able to create 8 groups of 3. So according to repeated subtraction, my quotient to 24 divided by 3 would be 8. Then we moved on to learning about equal groups. With 24 divided by 3, we can look at this as creating 3 groups. Then we would place one item in each group until we got to a total of 24 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. When I count the items in one group, I'm able to see that there are 8 items in one group. So my quotient for this strategy is the same as the previous strategy. When we're looking at drawing with arrays, we put our objects into rows and columns. 24 divided by 3 tells me that I should create 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to place one additional item in each row until I get to 24. We started at 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And when I count, I am able to see that there are indeed 8 items in one row. So again, our quotient is 8. As you can see, passing out items one by one does take some time. So partitioning is something that can help us move a little bit faster inside of our work. We know that we need to get to 24 items. So instead of passing out items one by one, we can look at our groups as buckets and we can drop a few items inside of the buckets until we run out of items. So I know that 24 is an even number, so I'm going to try to divide by an even number. But 24 divided by 2, I think 2 is still too small. I might try to divide by 4. Let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hey, that gave me 12 items. So 4 worked out pretty well. I know that I still need to add more to get up to 24, so I'm going to try to do 2 this time. Let's see if it works. You know what? That would be smaller than 12. I'm going to try 3. So 4, then I'm going to add 3. This gave me 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, so when I added 3, that got me up to 21 because I added 9 more. I need to get up to 24 and I'm at 21. That's only 3 away. So I could put 1, 2, 3, and that 1 that I added gave me 3. So when I add up my 4 plus my 3 plus my 1 that I added, I will notice that that gives me an answer of 8. So again, my quotient is indeed 8.
All right, so no matter what strategy you use, you are going to be able to find the same answer. Now, that's good that you have figured out which strategies you like, because today we are going to play Kahoot. Woo woo! Oh, look, your eyes just all went up and got so excited. I told you if you weren't on live, I'm so sorry. I'm watching some kids right now. They're doing some stuff that is not school and they're just missing out on it. I am going to forward you out the link that you will need to play Kahoot. There we go, boom. If you do not have a school device, I will send it in the chat as well. But you're going to open up kahoot.it, and then I will give you the pin in a moment, okay? I have not given you the pin, so don't worry. You don't have it yet. There you go. Click on that link. Oh, I only sent it to Josh. That won't work, will it? Let me send it to everybody. Everybody. There you go. All right. Kahoot.it. Go ahead and click on that, and that will open you up to a page that looks like this. It's just going to change colors. I have not given you the pin yet. Don't ask for it because I'm going to give it one time to everybody. So if you have never played Kahoot before, here's how it will work. There will be a question up here. There will be 4 answer choices: red, yellow, blue, and green. You're going to click on the correct color on your screen. So this that you have pulled up on your screen will show right there the answer colors. You'll have to look at my screen to see which number is correct. Okay? All right. We're going to start. Here we go. $20 divided by 10. What does it equal? Red for 10, blue for 5, yellow for 2, or green for 4? 20 divided by 10. That game pin is right here if you need it, if you get kicked out. Oh my gosh, my teacher heart. Only 3 of you got that correct? What? Oh no. 20 divided by 10. Come on, people. 10, 20. 2 times. Oh, Lord, I am so nervous for how this is going to go. Okay. Y'all better get your game up. All right, here we go. There's our points. Okay, Steve, Lev, and Lily, Miss Leah, you're making me feel okay. Everybody else, come on, y'all. All right, here we go. Remember, count by that last number until you get up to that number. Use your songs. I didn't teach you them for nothing. Okay, I got to calm myself down. Whew, here we go. Next one. 100 divided by 10. Count by tens. Count by tens. Oh, okay. I feel better. I feel a little bit better. 12 of you. That's good. Good, good, good. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I counted 10 times. Your quotient is 10. Whew! Y'all redeemed yourself because I was scared. All right, here we go. Steve, keeping the lead. 12 divided by 3. 3, 6. Oh, whew, my heart was scared again. All right, pretty good. 12 divided by 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. 4. I counted 4 numbers. Beautiful. All right, here we go. Ooh, Lily's creeping up on you. Lev's not far behind. Josh and Elijah on the board. Here we go. 16 divided by 4. Yeah, you guys are doing it. Okay, 16 divided by 4. 4, 8, 12, 16. There will be 4 in each group as my quotient. Lovely. Leaderboard. Dun, 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 dun. 5 players just hit their 3 answer streak. Okay. Oh, here we go. Uh-oh, Lily's coming up close behind you, Steve. Next one. 56 divided by 8. You got 8. Ooh, ooh, my heart hurt a little bit. If I was drawing my heart like we did this morning, it would be a little bit gray. It'd be a little bit gray. Okay, 56 divided by 8. You got 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56. 7. 7 times. Our quotient would be 7. Leah with the upset coming in. Combo breaker. 3 players just dropped their answer streak of 3. All right, WSP. I don't know who you are, but you're up here. Good for you. Just coming in. Just is no longer sus. Doing the math, putting in the work. I like it. All right, here we go. 48 divided by 8. You got 8.
So you blocked my site. Yeah, I'm not in it anymore.
I did not block you, love. I'm so sorry. You can hop in again if you go to Kahoot.it. Here's the game pin right there. 48 divided by 8. You got 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. 6 of them. There was a 6 in the group.
I meant to hit 6, but accidentally hit 8.
Oh no. Is that going to cause the upset? Oh, the mistake cost. Steve is back in the battle. Dun, dun, dun. Just is moving up. Lev. See, Lev, you're saying you're not there. Look, you're right here. Lev, you're right here. You're on the board.
I'm not in it. I'm not in it.
Well, I don't know how you're climbing up places. Alicia, the highest climber, up 3 places. Okay, girl, I see you. All right, here we go. 18 divided by 9. Use your fingers. Use your fingers. Okay, 9 of you. I'm not too upset by that. 9s are tricky. This is a double. 9 plus 9 is 18, so 2 of them would fit inside. You can also use your fingers to have your 10s and your 1s And if you go 1, 2, you have 1, 10, and 8 ones. All right. 2 is correct.
Elijah, here I come.
Josh steals that place. We got some trash talk from Levin coming on. Here we go. Oh, big dog. 3 places, up the highest. 63 divided by 7. 714. Seven of you. Okay. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, and 63. 9 lyrics. You sang it 9 times. Steve securing the lead. Just is creeping up. Answer streak of 7. Okay, Just, I see you. Here we go. 30 divided by 5. Y'all better count by 5s. 5, 10. Let's get this one. Whew, 12 of you. Okay. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 6 will fit inside of 30 when you are counting by 5. 6 groups of 5. Elijah on the board. Lily still there. Who's WSP? Who is this? Y'all ain't gonna take credit?
Yeah, who's who's?
It stands for what's up.
Oh, I see. Are you what's up, Aiden? No, oh, you're not. Well, okay. Wisp, good for you. Last one. Here we go. 108 divided by 9. It's a challenge. Bah, 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 bah. Josh is praying about the answer. He's praying first. Q's rubbing the hands. 12. Now, this was a challenge, but you can think critically about this. 9 times 10 is going to be 90. So it's going to be more than 10. So that got rid of 8 and 9, right? Those are gone. Then if we do 90 plus 9, that's 11, and that's 99. Still not big enough. So it's the biggest answer there, 12. All right, here we go. The winners are... Bum, ba, da, ba. Devo, 3rd place. Just coming in 2nd. And the winner is Wisp. And we don't know who that is. Who is Wisp? Who won the game? Who are you?
Me.
Oh, it's the turkey stuffer.
I'm
Congratulations.
just playing. It's now me. It's now me.
What? Who's Wisp?
Who is it?
Get him out of here.
Is it
Get him out
Senkyu?
of here.
It's not Senkyu either.
Don't fix that. Tell us.
Well, okay. Congratulations, anonymous
Me.
winner. I have no clue who you are.
It could be my cousin.
Your cousin?
It's Jesus.
Yeah, he has.
Me.
It's who?
Jesus. Jesus.
Oh my goodness. All right, here we go. Okay.
With me.
Oh my gosh, y'all are crazy. Okay, let's get ready to move on here. We have reviewed our division skills. We have played a Kahoot. I think that went well. Thumbs up if you think we should play it again. Not right now, but like someday. Thumbs down if we should never play Kahoot again. Thumbs sideways if you don't care. How you feeling about Kahoot? Ooh, positive all around, 1 kind of okay. All right, we're feeling good. Okay, Kahoot stays on the menu for virtual learning. Woohoo! All right, kiddos, let's talk about what you are going to do today for your assessment. All righty, here we go. To put a nice, pretty bow on division, you are going to have your choice of division strategy. You're going to show me which strategies work best for you and solve some equations with them. we've done the video, we've done the live review. Now you're going to click Add Response. For slides 1 through 3, you're going to look at the division equation and solve it using at least 2 strategies, okay? For slides 4 through 6, you're going to drag the arrow to the part of the equation that the vocabulary word describes, all right? You'll click the check to turn in your work. So on your response, so you can see what that looks like, slides 1 through 3, you're going to choose 2 strategies. There are 4 strategies that you can choose from. You only have to do 2. So if I were going to solve 42 divided by 6, the strategies that make the most sense to me are groups and repeated subtraction. So if I solved these 2, I don't have to do array and I don't have to do partitioning. Okay? Maybe on the next slide, I want to try different strategies. Maybe this time I'll do groups and an array. And if I solve the work here, I do not have to do these 2. Does that make sense? You're going to choose 2 strategies. 2 of them you can leave blank. If you want to do them, fine, but I only need 2 to grade. Okay? Questions on that? Questions on what you're going to do on slides 1 through 3? Yes, Terrence.
Can we do the same ones on each page?
Yes, that is fine. So if you think equal groups and array are best, you can do equal groups and array on here. You can do equal groups and array on here. You can do equal groups and array on here. It's whatever 2 strategies work best for you. Okay, great question. Any other questions? All right. On slides 4 through 6, it is vocabulary. Your directions were drag the arrow to the quotient. So you're going to take this arrow and you're going to point it to whatever the quotient is. And then you'll leave the arrow there, okay? On slide 5, you're going to drag the arrow to the dividend or the whole. Which one is the dividend? On slide 6, you're going to drag the arrow to the divisor. You have a really great math notebook that we took notes on. Sorry, there was something in my throat. I don't know what
You're
it
not
was.
coughing.
I don't know what it was. That was so weird.
Nothing.
Okay, you have math notes that you can use inside of your notebook to help you with the vocabulary, okay? Any questions on what you're going to do with the arrow? All good? Yes, Terrence.
Just gonna drag it to the divisor and all of them.
Yep, whatever it says to drag it to, that's where you're going to put it. The quotient, the dividend, and the divisor. Drag the arrow there. All right, lovely. Okay, this is your division quiz. This is your division test that you will complete. So you will work on this, and then also at 12:45, your DMR will be released to you as well. So you have 2 short quizzes today, your division quiz and your DMR quiz. All right. Okay, kiddos.